Ah yes, this is Jason, Jason's Jungle. So here it is, Merry Christmas. Has everyone been having fun? It's been 3 weeks since me oca died back from the frost, so I've left it to allow it time to absorb all the goodness from the stems into the roots, and now it's time to dig it up. So I'll put it on fast forward and see what I get out of that, and I'll see you in a little while. Okay, so that's the oca harvested. We've got two types of oca, a red one and a white one. Slightly more the red. I'll get the weights when I get home and get you a photo of the haul. Okay, and until next time, I'll see you later. Have a good new year. Ta.